Hi, Catherine. Thanks for emailing me about your spring classes. I want to show you how to find a science class with a lab to fulfill that requirement. You can see on the screen, I'm at the Madison College homepage. I'm going to click Careers, Programs, and Classes, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the L's. What we're looking for is the Liberal Arts Transfer Education. So I'm going to keep going down here until I find it. Or you can do you can use your find command to find it that way. Here it is, Liberal Arts Transfer Education. I'm going to click this link, and this will take me to the page all about our education major. You can go ahead and click on curriculum. So you have fulfilled lots of the categories like English and speech, you're almost done. Health and wellness we need to do yet, but we could save that one because it's only 1 credit. And so I'm going to keep scrolling down until I see the sciences. And again, I'm looking for that bold heading. It's way down here. So here's mathematics and natural science. I want to go just to the next heading to show you what that looks like. Oh, sorry, the next heading is social sciences. So let's go back up to mathematics and natural sciences. There's 2 ways to take your science course. You can take just a straight science course without a lab, or you can take a science course with a lab. So here's the heading that I'm looking for. It's the physical science lab courses. And this is a multi-step process. So step number 1 is you want to pick a science course that's appealing to you. We give you tons of choices, right? You can already see on the screen. There's astronomy, chemistry, biology. You have lots of choices. And the idea is the college wants you to take something that appeals to you as a person so that you'll be interested in it and you can learn more about something that you want to learn more about. So step number 1 is pick a class that you're interested in taking. Go ahead and click on the name. Step number 2 is you have to find out if it's offered in the spring and if it's offered at a time that fits your schedule and fits your needs. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click View Sections. Let's see if it's even offered in the spring. Okay, so there are a few sections offered in the spring. I see this first one is offered at night, so maybe that's not great for you. Or there might be another one you talked about, the online, So you've got to find a course that you want to take, and then you have to find out if it fits your schedule and if it's the right format for you. And then there's a 3rd step. So I'm going to pretend that this night class is one that you want to take. And I'm going to take a look here at this 8-digit number. This is called our catalog number. So our number is 20. Actually, in fact, I'm going to write it down so that I don't forget what it is. It's 20806. So 806253. Okay, so now what you need to do is you want to find out, how does this class transfer to the UW? What sort of requirements does it fulfill? So I'm going to hop over to a brand new tab and I'm going to Google the Transfer Information Wizard. Oops, if I could spell it right. We'll try that. There it is. And what you're going to find is the transfer information system is housed by the UW. So this is how classes transfer in all of our colleges. So I'm going to click this right here, and we are going to then pick the wizards. So we want to use a course wizard. We want to find out, does this course transfer to the UW, and if so, how does it transfer? So we're transferring from Madison Area Technical College, there it is, and we're transferring to UW-Madison, and I'm going to click Next Step. And then we have to pick the department from which we want to transfer. Now this is really weird, but it is what it is. They're not alphabetical, they're numeric. So I'm going to scroll down until I find our number, which was 806. So you chop off the first 2 numbers. It was 20806. So I'm going to scroll down until I find 806. If you don't remember the number, you can just look for the department name. It's called Natural Sciences. The only trouble is they're not alphabetic, so you have to look at all of them. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one, Natural Science, and I'm going to say, actually, I'm going to say Match All Courses. I'm going to click that button. Because then, once that pulls up, you'll be able to see all of our classes here at Madison College that are accepted as transfer classes at UW-Madison. So I'm going to scroll down. And here's how to read this. These are the Madison Area Technical College courses. So here's all of our courses. And here's how they transfer over to UW-Madison. That's how they come in. So now our class was 806253. So I'm going to go scroll down. Again, they're numeric, so I'm going to scroll down until I find the 253. Let's see if I can find it. Down, down, down. Way down in the list, somewhere down here. Here it is. Astronomy, the solar system. So here's our class. And then, so here's how it transfers over to the UW-Madison. And then notice these letters. These letters indicate to us how it transfers. So it comes in as a general education, but then it comes in for these categories, the P, the QR, which is quantitative. So you could click on these to find out what all of the codes stand for, but you can see that some transfer in for a little, some transfer in for more criteria. So you want to balance all of this information. Pick a course you like, see if it fits your schedule, but then also you want to pick a course that transfers kind of well, right? This one fits many categories at the UW-Madison. So that might make this course a little more appealing to you, even though it's at night, right? Or whatever. So those are the things you have to consider when you're picking your science class with a lab. And then I just want to mention one more thing. When we were back at step 2 and we were looking at how when the class happens at our college, I'm going to click one more step. You really need to read the full description of the class. Make sure that you understand what the class is going to teach you and if it's suited for you or if it's talking about things that seem unappealing to you or kind of over the top, right? You want to have a good understanding of what this class is going to be like so that you can pick a class that you're going to be successful in. You have to be very mindful of your GPA for your transfer opportunities. Okay, so give that a shot and then you can email me back if you have any questions at all. All right, good luck.